First of all, wishing you a very, very happy birthday to you. May God bless you and fulfill your all wishes. Your life will full with colors of like petals. So
Okay.
many happy returns of the day.
Thank you so much for your kind wish. Yes, I guess we both had the words like a feather flock together because the way you speak, it seems that you spoke my mind, isn't it? I also think
Yeah.
because excitement is always there, right? Because the way we celebrate, it's quite different. It has been changed over the years, isn't it? Like earlier, as you mentioned, we used to think that whosoever my friends were there, they would what present they would give me. But now it's quite different. Now we are expecting the same, but from our children
Yes.
and husbands, other family members.
Agree.
Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to introduce a person who has a very positive mindset. She is truly an optimistic person who believes in perseverance and steady progress. She always has a warm smile on her face and has a very amicable nature, which I truly like it. So she makes everyone feel comfortable while talking to her. So, without any further ado, let's dive into the today's conversation. So, good afternoon, Pooja ji. I hope you are doing well.
Yeah, good afternoon, Minakshi. And I'm overwhelmed. I'm over the moon because the way you welcomed me, it was quite remarkable. And I was thrilled listening about that much quality of mine. So thank you so much. I'm
Yes.
doing great, exceptionally well. Life is treating me very well. I'm embracing my challenge into opportunities. So
Ac-
that's a bit.
Actually, you deserve it. Why I gave you such kind of introduction? Because you have an amicable nature, and I saw that how positive mindset you have. The aura you have, you carries the aura like a charismatic. Okay, so everyone feels negative, everyone feels demotivated, but you always try to keep yourself positive and you try to make others positive as well. So that's why I thought I should appreciate you because every encouragement makes us or boost our confidence level or amplify our confidence level and try to grow more and more. Okay, so I guess I need your brief introduction for my new audience. So please introduce yourself first.
Yes, I'm delighted to introducing myself. My name is Pooja. I hail from Uttarakhand, but currently I live in Bangalore. I have done masters since B.Ed and CTET qualified. And in terms of my hobbies, I love to reading books. I'm a bibliophile kind of girls, and music is cheers me up. It gives me ultimate elixir. So I love to listening music also. Apart from it, nowadays I have inculcate one more habit to working on my communication skill. So because of it, like I have created my channel, whatever knowledge I have, I just want to impart it to others also by the name Learn English with Pooja. And I consider myself, as you mentioned, like positive, go-getter and high-driven and tenacious kind of girl. So that's a bit about me. Thank you for asking.
What a wonderful introduction, as always. And your words and your introduction reflects that you have a positive mindset. Okay, so tell
Thank
me,
you.
how was your day? It was productive. Like, how did you spend your day today?
Yes, my day has been treating me properly and productively also. I'm trying to show up myself with full of being. And yes, so far it is productive. I have connected with two, three colon just for practice, just for the sake of practice, 10 to 15 minutes. And after that, I very satisfyingly, I have completed my household chores and other responsibilities. Now just I'm in front of you with full of energy.
And excitement.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes, yes.
are you actually excited, or I am just exaggerating this?
No, no, no. Actually, I'm excited. It's the always privilege and honor to connect with you and sharing screen with you because you have that jovial nature with which impart that hilarious thing into me as well. And as you said, like if we connect with such people who are creating positive ripple effect, so we feel that they made our day. So
Yes,
yes, with this positive note, I'm connecting with you.
exactly. Okay. So, is there anything interesting do you have to discuss today?
Actually, I don't have that much means any kind of topic because I'm literally, to be honest, I'm fed up with those discussing question answer. So today I have given chance to you and ball is in your court. So you can throw whatever you will throw. I will just catch it.
Okay, so first of all, let me wish because today is my birthday. So let's talk about birthday.
Okay.
Okay.
Lovely, lovely. That's why you are on your cloud nine today.
Yes, I always try to on my cloud nine, but some days come to your life when you can spread your happiness and you can make others happy as well, isn't it? You can spend some quality time with your family and your family also prioritize you, isn't it? So
Yeah. So
that's
first of all, yeah, first of all, wishing you a very, very happy birthday to you. May God bless you and fulfill your all wishes. Your life will full with colors of like petals. So
okay.
many, many happy returns of the day.
Thank you so much for your kind wish. So let's discuss about birthday. So you tell me, what does your birthday mean to you now? Because when we were at our early age, the meaning of the birthday is quite different as now, isn't it? So please, I
Yes.
would like to ask you that what does your birthday mean to you now?
Okay, actually, I think like you should give the answer of this question because today it's your birthday. But no worry, you are my friend, so I'm thrilled to give answer of this question. So birthday is not just a age, celebrating age. It's a growth, gratitude, and paying attention, like what you have learned since your past year and what you are going to do in your next year. So I think it's an opportunity for you to get a chance to work on yourself. And if I talk about when I was a child, the birthday means totally different for me. It's all about gift, cake, decoration, and celebration. Though I belong from village, so I don't have a such kind of birthday. But we used to celebrate in a low key our birthday, like with including our family member and like relative. But nowadays it's totally changed. But if I talk about now, it's a the meaning of the celebration is quite difficult. Means different, like how much we are grown up, we are grateful towards our god. So I think we are growing, we are learning, getting older. I think the change, the meaning is totally different now. So yeah, the birthday is the all about opportunity, new opportunities for us. So I think this mean to me.
Exactly. And I couldn't agree more with you, and you gave a very remarkable answer. According to me, and in my opinion, I also think like you. Uh, when we start growing up and growing older, it seems that now everything has unfolded in our life, isn't it? As you mentioned,
Yes.
during our childhood, we were anxious or we were excited to cut cakes, distributed the candies to school, right? So everything was different. But now everything has unfolded, isn't it? We should pay gratitude because birthday comes with new opportunity, right? I can reflect on my thoughts. What else do I need to work
Yes.
on? Where are my gray areas? Where how I can start my life? As I was in my negative zone for the past 2 days, And you won't believe I didn't connect with anyone because negativity is contagious, isn't it?
Yes.
Why I didn't connect with anyone. Some of my friends, like my fellow learner, called me and I told them that I am busy somewhere because I
Yeah.
didn't to spread that negativity in them. So tomorrow is my birthday, and today I made a resolution. I would never ever feel negative. The day when I feel negative, I will definitely try to come out of my negative zone. Okay, so it's all about the paying gratitude, showing yourself, show up for others as well. So it's called a birthday. Every year in the month of January, we made the resolution. So similarly, we can make the resolution on our birthdays as well, isn't it?
Yes,
Very
yes, I couldn't more agree with you because birthday is the high time where we take resolution for the next day and we get a chance to reflect our past year, what we have done and which kind of mistake and learn from our mistake, like where we can, do something for our life. So I think it's an opportunity, but different phase of life has different experiences, I would say, because childhood has their own warmth of celebrating birthday, and now like you are above, I think maybe above 30, so you have your own, because maturation, yeah, at this maturity level we think differently the situation.
exactly. You're absolutely right.
Mhm.
So do birthday become less exciting as we grow older? What's your take on it?
Yes, I don't think that, I don't believe even that it's a less exciting because the birthday has their own charm to celebrate it. But as I already mentioned, that because of maturity, it matters a lot. Since we are, when we are child, so that time we don't think, we don't have concern about that much responsibility, sacrifices, obstacle, hurdle. We are not aware about it. We are just like a free bird at that time, so we think about just like positivity and how to celebrate birthday. But at this maturity level, that excitement is same. It's unchanged. But the way we celebrate birthday is quite different. We always pay gratitude towards God. We try to celebrate our birthday with our loved ones. We give preference to our who are near to us. So I think it matters a lot. But earlier we always used to wait for presents, like celebration, how what will they give me the gift, like this. But yeah, now I think it's quite different, but yeah, excitement is same. Even whenever my birthday is about to come, so I always feel over the moon because I also wait like what my husband will give me present, what my kids will do. So this kind of surprise, and as a human we are full of emotion and we are waiting for and chasing for such celebration, I think.
Right,
So
right.
yeah, in a nutshell, I would say excitement is same, but the way we are celebrating our birthday, it's quite different.
Yes, yes. I guess we both are the birds like a feather flock together because the way you speak, it seems that you spoke my mind, isn't it? I also think
Yeah.
because excitement is always there, right? Because the way we celebrate, it's quite different. It has been changed over the years, isn't it? Like earlier, as you mentioned, we used to think that whosoever my friends were there, they would what present they would give me. But now it's quite different. Now we are expecting the same, but from our children
Yes.
and husbands, other family members,
Absolutely.
right? And
Yeah.
over on birthdays, we can go outside, we can distribute,
Mm.
something. Whatever the wish we have, we can distribute something as per our convenient. Okay, so we can distribute
Mm.
something to paupers, which can give us a sense of contentment and gratification, right? As we are
Yeah.
living in the hectic era, we don't have time for others. It's really hard to squeeze out some time for others. But on such days, we know that, okay, today I am completely free and I would go outside and I
Yeah.
would distribute something to someone, right? So
Yes.
that is also called a happiness. And I guess we should add something to society. We should not live our life only for ourselves. We should live for others as well. These things,
Yes.
once we become mature, we also learn the same over the years, right?
Yes.
Because when
Mm.
we were children, I don't think so that we used to think like this. But as we become older, now we can think life is not all about living only for ourselves, it's about to live
Yes.
others, right?
Yes. Yes. I couldn't more agree with you. Yes.
Majority level, yes, this majority level also comes with growing age, right?
Yes. Yes.
So, who
Yes.
makes your birthday special?
Yes. So, okay. So, as you asked, like, who make your birthday special? Especially there are my family member, relative, and my friends play a crucial role to make me feel special. And most time I have seen like my family member, like my husband, my kids are always, because my kids has a different kind of curiosity to make a card where they both were like used to color, and those like they write something for me, and what we want more than it, because materialistic thing I don't give preference to it, because it just faded away, like we use and throw like this thing. But the way you write, you feel to someone special, so it's quite different. And my husband always try to make most of it. He always take 2 or 3 days holidays so that we can go off beaten track, when we can feel the nature. And even last birthday we went Adi Yogi, and I think we stayed there 2 or 3 days, so we visited all the places. So in this way they try to make special my day, and I'm blessed. And I always think that by God grace my husband gave priority to my birthday, and even my parents also. Maybe it's a far from me, but they always try to make most out of it, my kids. So all are very important for me, and they play a role in my life, because birthday sometime as a human we are full of emotion. We want such kind of event where we can feel that we can resonate ourselves, we can go the off track, where we can feel the tranquility, and we can make more stronger our relationship. So
Yes,
yes, like, yes,
actually.
yes. So in this way we try to celebrate not only my birthday, we try to celebrate each and everyone's birthday with a full of enthusiasm and
Yes.
full of celebration.
Yes, exactly. And that's interesting. And I guess we should celebrate and we should cherish
Yes,
each and every moment because God has given this beautiful life only once. I don't know,
yes,
about my further life or about my कहते हैं ना,
yes,
next jannam. I don't know. So I have a loving family. I should appreciate everything, whatever given by God. So
yes,
I guess if I come to me, so I also means my husband and my daughter, because I hadn't cut cake, right? Because
okay,
I thought, okay, it's a birthday. Now there is no need to celebrate it the way we celebrated at our early age, right? But since my daughter grown up, now she wants to celebrate my birthday as well. She already purchased, a packet of candies to distribute in her school. So she is very excited, and every day, early in the morning, she asks me that, "Mama, what is the day today, and when Fridays
yes,
come?" So every day, she's very excited than me, right? So I guess
yes,
now
yes,
in this age, it also took us back to our childhood, isn't it?
yes, yes,
It seems that yes, when we were children, we were also excited to celebrate our
yes,
parents' birthday as well, right? So,
yes,
as you mentioned about your husband, my husband doesn't believe giving surprise and all, but he always asks me that, what would you like to take as a gift for your birthday, then I always say that I don't want anything. I only want your love. Please respect me in among family.
Yeah.
Please give me help in every situation, thick and thin situation, as he always gives. There is no brainer. But still, I always says that I don't need expensive gifts and all, but I need your love and support. So he said,
Yes, yes.
it's not expensive. I can give you easily.
Yes, yes. And even now we are celebrating our birthday just for the sake of our happiness of our kids because
Yes,
they are very happy when we celebrate, when we cut the cake. So they feel like their birthday we are celebrating. Even
yes,
my daughter and my son, they both were fighting that I will cut cake, I will cut cake. So I said both will cut cake. Means they are not giving preference to me that my birthday is so I will cut cake. They have like, and on my birthday we went on a resort, as I said. I was standing like aside, and they both were cutting cake. So my husband was saying that whose birthday is today? Like birthday girl is standing here, and they both are cutting cake. So,
yes.
but I was feeling so happy because they both are happy. They both were happy. They were feeling very excited. They are popping the balloons and other things. They were so in this way, like just for the sake of their happiness, sometime for creating positive and happiness environment at your home. So I think we should celebrate this small event because it will count on your memory and it will add a new chapter on your life as well. So I
Right.
think it's the best way to celebrate. Yes.
Exactly. Every small things we should celebrate. I don't think so that we should find joy, isn't it? We should
Yeah.
find joy in little things, not in big things.
Yeah.
अगर मेरी
Big
जिंदगी
thing.
आएगा तो ही मैं खुश होऊंगा. No, whatever I
Yes.
have, I would celebrate, isn't it? So
Yes.
that's how you
Small
can
event.
guide your children. Everything we should celebrate, no matter what is it, right? So
Yes. Yes.
we
Even
learn.
even
Yes, please.
yes. Yes. You carry on. After you, I will say.
No, no, please continue first.
No, no, I was just adding one point that a small event can give a big smile on your loved one's face. So I think for that smile, you should you should celebrate each and everything. Like nowadays, Father's Day is there, Mother's Day is there, Daughter Day is there. So we used to like ignore earlier because
Yes,
like what happened, like we are daughter, we are father, we are but now, like because of my kids, I love to celebrate these small event. So that because kids now we have kids, and after some time they are for their education purpose, for other purpose, they have to move from their places. Like maybe they will go in another city far from us. So that time we just recall these moment. And nowadays we have such a facility that social media we are posting over there, we are keeping photos. So I think that is the best way to recall, to remember your past event.
yes, yes, exactly. Very nice. So, if you
Yes.
give yourself one birthday gift, what would it be? Please tell me.
Okay. So there are a big list in my bucket list, like what gift I want to give to myself. But yes, like I want firstly financially independent, as it was my childhood dream that still I'm preparing, I'm putting my effort. So I just want to financially independent so that I can get respect, even though I'm getting respect. But the way we see the working women, it's quite different. We see with the another lenses to them. So and when my grandmother was there, so she used to say that you need to be police. Whenever she saw police, so she said like तुम ना पुलिस बनना. So I still remember that those were the days. And so I first thing is this, and second thing is good human being. I want to spread positivity surround me, because if you are flowers, so definitely you will leave the fragrance behind you. So this is my that good human beings. And as I already mentioned, there are a big list. Like I want to give the good etiquettes to my kids so that they can contribute for development in our country. They can also create a positive ripple effect. And other thing is like good health. I want good health, even though I'm not practicing because it demands lots of strength and potential. Yeah, first thing is good human being I want to be, and I'm trying to be like this. So
Yes,
yes. And what about you? I'm also waiting for your answer
yes.
because tomorrow is your birthday.
Okay, thank you so much for asking. So, your third point, I would like to give myself a gift only health, right? Because if I prioritize my health, everything comes along the way. Why I am saying this? Because if you are healthy, you can make others happy. You can spread the positivity.
Yes,
If you are not healthy, how you can keep yourself, positive throughout the day, right?
yes,
Like health is like a number 1 crore. Okay, if you only reduce the one there, so what is the value of zero? Nothing. But if you
yes,
have good health, like if you have the number one, like if you have a health, then everything comes along the way, right? So
yes,
God has given the morality to human. Everyone wants to become something. For instance, if someone wants to become a doctor and he became a doctor. Now, doctors should be honest towards their patients, right? And
yes,
my dream is to become a professional teacher. But if I am not giving good health to myself, how I would become a professional English teacher, right? I want to use
yes,
my brain. I want to, create a legacy for future generation by giving them
yes,
good education. I want to be authentic towards my students, right? So still I am
yes,
working upon my gray areas as well. I hope I work on my gray areas as soon as it possible. But yes, every day comes with one. So every day comes with new opportunity. We can think where are my gray areas to work upon, right? So yes, I nowadays I also started going yoga classes as well. I also prepare some healthy food, nutritious food for everyone, for my family, so that this is the way where I can also work upon my health. So yes, health is one of the most on the top of my list, which I would like to give
yes.
myself. So that's all.
Lovely, lovely. And health is a wealth, as you gave the remarkable answer of it. So I can totally resonate with you. If you would stay healthy, then you can give priority to others because we can't pour with empty cup. If your cup is full, then you can serve it. So yeah, I also give preference to health, though it's very busy schedule. Because of very busy schedule, I'm not giving that much attention towards my health, but I inspired a lot with your answer. So I'm going to, yeah, I'm going to focus on my health.
Exactly, we should, because if we are healthy, everything comes along the way.
Yeah,
But if you are not healthy, then you will lose everything, isn't it? So,
yes, yes.
okay, so Pooja, as we are running out of time, but still we have 7 minutes. If you want to say something else, so you can speak.
Yes, it was very insightful conversation, and I learned a lot from you. First, like today, as you said, tomorrow is your birthday. So yeah, I try to, not I means you try to make most out of it because every day comes and goes, but the birthday is the special day where we find, and you can demand, you can be pretend like a queen, because that day I think it's a special day when we came in our earth. So yeah, God has given us chance to move ahead in our life. So blessing from my side, that keep grow, keep learn, keep shine like this. And as you know that we are sharing a heart-to-heart connection, so I always pray for you as well with a blessing with a full of my heart. So thank you so much and happy birthday again
Thank you so
in
much.
advance.
Thank you so much for making my day and like by giving such a wonderful blessings. Thank you so much. I want that if someone gives us blessings, so we should grasp as soon as it possible.
Yes,
Okay. So
yes.
thank you.
And
It
in this era, especially in this era, if someone is blessing you, someone is thinking about your positive in your life, so it's very, like fortune smile on us. So we
right.
should open our both hand and grab all the blessing.
Yes.
So yeah,
Yes, yes, Pooja.
thank you.
So by the way, when your birthday will come?
My birthday is so far. I not far means it's a two after 2 months. I think 20th of September. It's a
Okay.
July, I think
Yes,
July,
yes. July
August,
on one
September.
month. Definitely. So
Yes.
we will again discuss the same topic, I guess, for your channel. And I will
Yes,
ask.
yes. But I consider every day is new opportunity, new day to rise and shine. So
Yes,
yeah, but it's just a celebration, not a special day. Every day we should think like because God is giving us new opportunity for the whole for the new day. So yes, yes, why not? We would do such kind of confabulation with each other.
yes, yes, exactly. Because some days comes and go, but as you mentioned that birthday come, but it comes with new opportunity, blessings, right? Because who has time to call you? But on birthday, everyone calls you. No matter how do they squeeze out time, but they squeeze time for some
Yeah,
time and
it's
they
a
call.
kind of compulsion.
Exactly, it's a compulsion.
Yes.
Okay, happy
Yes.
birthday. Thank you. So we also talk on others matters as well for 10-15 minutes. That is the way I guess we should have such more days in our life so that we can connect, we can talk to each other and we can share our thoughts to each other. So that's we can make our life more happy and we can live a blissful life, right? Okay.
Yes, yes,
Thank you so much, Pooja. And it was really a remarkable conversation with you. It was not any kind
yes,
of topic, but yes, it was a lovely
yes.
discussion with you.
It's a life relatable topic, and we enjoyed a lot to sharing with our, like how we celebrate. So it was very nice, and I'm looking forward to have such kind of because usually we don't pick up such kind of topics, but it
Right.
was quite unique, yeah,
Yes.
and different also. Thank you
Yes.
for sharing screen and thank you for giving opportunity.
It's my pleasure.
Precious
It's my
opportunity.
pleasure. Yes, it's my pleasure.
Okay,
Pleasure
thank you.
is all mine. So let's call it a day and let's do
Okay,
something else. Till then, bye bye. Have a great day ahead.
bye. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.